Hello, everyone. It's an honor to be here. I have to say, you heard in my bio, my background is mainly being an environmentalist, and this is the first rally that I've attended with lovely, lovely animal rights activists, and it's an honor for me to join the Nonhuman Rights Project back in 2016, and to be here with all of you today, and the weather is still holding up. Basically, what I just wanted to say is that I'm honored to see so many dedicated people here, and all of the work that you are all doing and all the work that we are doing together, whether that is Donnie Moss, who we spoke about earlier with the New York City Blood Bank, whether it's NY Class and the horse carriages, whether you're working on issues about fur, and you protested back in November when Canada Goose came and opened up their store down in Soho. All of us have a role to play in the movement of protecting animals, and every single one of us has chosen which way and which our path is. For the Nonhuman Rights Project, we're mainly and have primarily for the last 2 decades been a legal organization, and we were the first in the world to actually apply for legal personhood for animals. So they had rights to bodily liberty, rights to bodily integrity. And back in 2013, right here in New York State, we filed 4 cases seeking freedom for 4 chimpanzees. 2 who were at State University in Stony Brook. Believe it or not, they were doing research on how to understand how we humans walk based on electrodes put into chimpanzees to figure out how they walk so that they would know how we walk. I think we all kind of know how we walk. Subsequently, they were sent back to Louisiana, where they are owned by the University of Louisiana, and we are still continuing to fight to free them. We also had Tommy and Keiko, 2 chimpanzees who were in the entertainment industry. One who was severely injured during a beating while he was growing up and decided to not want to be a movie star anymore, and another one who was put in a cage in upstate New York with a TV and a mural behind him to make him feel as if he were in a jungle. Just about 2 months ago, we went back to court on behalf of Tommy and Keiko, and we are currently awaiting to hear whether or not they will be free. We do not stop. We continue to fight for these 4. We are also going out on behalf of elephants, and if you look at the number of elephants, we have currently 65 as of 2016 in circuses, 230 in zoos. How many of you know how many elephants we have in New York City in a zoo? 1. We've got 1 elephant living in a zoo in the Bronx Zoo, and that elephant is an elephant who was taken from the wild and actually had other elephants live with her at the zoo, but actually is now alone because so many of them died. It is wrong to take animals from the wild and put them into the service of human beings for entertainment, for research, or even as pets, as many chimpanzees in this country currently live. Back in 2016, the Nonhuman Rights Project expanded their work. We're not only doing legal work, but they hired me and a couple other great people who were starting to launch campaigns and working to work with other groups who are concerned about the issues of animal rights. And as we continue to move forward in the next couple months, we've launched a new website. We also have a texting. We're working together in the coalition to support the piece of legislation that was introduced by Councilwoman Rosie Mendez, and we sent out text messages to everyone last week asking them to call their members. If you would like to sign up and learn what we're doing and get alerts, what is specific to New York City, what is specific to New York State, and what is specific to all the other parts of the country that we're working, you can text UNLOCK to number 52886, and you'll be part of our movement, part of our community that we're expanding daily. And I have a wonderful intern somewhere around here who's passing out flyers, and our executive director. I just want to say again, thank you. It's been great to be here, and look forward to working with a lot of you in the months and years to come. Thanks.